1, 2, 3, start. While considering the grant of bail under section 43-D in bracket 5, it is the bounden duty of the court to apply its mind to examine the entire material on record for the purpose of satisfying itself whether a prima facie case is made out against the accused or not. Stop para. Another factor taken into account by the special court and the High Court relates to the allegation of the appellant meeting the members of the terror organization. Stop. It has been held by the High Court that the appellant has been in constant touch with the other accused. Stop. The appellant has revealed in his statement recorded under section 164 CRPC that he was summoned to meet A-14 and the other members of the organization in connection with the payments made by him. Stop. Prima facie, we are not satisfied that a case of conspiracy has been made out at this stage only on the ground that the appellant met the members of the organization. Stop para. On plain reading of section 38, the offence punishable therein will be attracted if the accused associates himself or professes to associate himself with a terrorist organization included in first schedule with intention to further its activities. Stop. In such a case, he commits an offence relating to membership of a terrorist organization covered by section 38. Stop. The person committing an offence under section 38 may be a member of a terrorist organization or he may not be a member. Stop. If the accused is a member of terrorist organization which indulges in terrorist act covered by section 15, stringent offence under section 20 may be attracted. Stop. If the accused is associated with a terrorist organization, the offence punishable under section 38 relating to membership of a terrorist organization is attracted only if he associates with terrorist organization or professes to be associated with a terrorist organization with intention to further its activities. Stop. The association may be with intention to further the activities of a terrorist organization. Stop. The activity has to be in connection with terrorist act as defined in section 15. Stop. Clause B of proviso to subsection in bracket 1 of section 38 provides that if a person charged with the offence under subsection in bracket 1 of section 38 proves that he has not taken part in the activities of the organization during the period in which the name of the organization is included in the first schedule, the offence relating to the membership of a terrorist organization under subsection in bracket 1 of section 38 will not be attracted. Stop. The aforesaid clause B can be a defence of the accused. Stop. However, while considering the prayer for grant of bail, we are not concerned with the defence of the accused. Stop para. Thus, the offence under subsection in bracket 1 of section 38 of associating or professing to be associated with the terrorist organization and the offence relating to supporting a terrorist organization under section 39 will not be attracted unless the acts specified in both the sections are done with intention to further the activities of a terrorist organization. Stop.